Hello everyone, welcome back to my trading journey. Martin's here, and today I'm just going to give you a brief update. Currently we are having the weekend, so the markets are uh, closed. And actually, this week I took only one trade, and I closed it yesterday on Friday evening, just before the markets closed, so that I didn't really want to hold it longer during the weekend. I don't know what might happen, and so basically what happened. Oops, sorry. Let me bring this back. So if you remember from the last video, this was my initial setup where I was watching something like I think it was on a 5-minute chart. Yeah, yep, it's right here. So I saw this double top, then it breaks down to creating a lower low. I was expecting to get back to this previous zone, which actually it did. We enter at this point because I was not sure if we will get back to the previous zone or we will just shoot back down as expected. But in the end, I saw this like a consolidation. I was not really sure if it will go down or up. I didn't really know what will happen, but we had a really good stop loss, so it was above these previous highs. And as you can see, then from that point, the market was just going sideways for a bit, and then it goes back up to the previous highs, which actually would be even a better entry. But as mentioned, I didn't want to wait if this will go all the way back or it will just shoot down. Um, Maybe I'm too, I don't know, too greedy, and I don't want to wait that much. Uh, Maybe it would be even better setup. But from my opinion, that would be the best, time to enter the trade over here. So that was my decision. I think it was still a good trade, good stop loss. If I would have it just above these highs, I'm I would be definitely stopped out. So I think the decision I made was really, really good. So as you can see, yeah, we get back to our previous highs, and from there we just starts going to the downside. So if I go back to 30-minute chart, so yeah, from the top, then we just saw a really nice move to the downside. We actually paused on this trend line where you see we were just consolidating for a bit, and then we just roll down and continue to the downside. Then there was this type of consolidation. It was on Friday already when I was thinking, okay, this might be the place when the price just reverse and go upwards, and then but I just um, whenever I saw this like a retracement, I push my stop loss. Once it breaks the recent lows, I push my stop loss above these highs, and then when we just were struggling over here, I put my stop loss over here, so I was not really going to take any further risk. So I would rather take this profit because it was, as you can see, pretty much 1-to-1 if we would just hit the trading stop over here. So I was okay with this setup, but in the end we just spiked back down, and then we were just consolidating because it was Friday evening. So I was like, okay, I think not need to push any further. This is a really good risk to reward ratio. It's almost 3-to-1. So this was a really nice. Uh, I would consider it as a win, although we didn't really hit the take profit. But from the beginning, I was saying that I'm not really going to stick to the take profit because it was really huge take profit, right? It was like 5-to-1 risk to reward ratio, which for this size, I don't know, might be too much. And because of this quite high retracement in the first place, I I was thinking that we might see a reversal in the trend, and we might go to the uptrend from here, because this last structure was validated. Um, so we are now retesting the lows, and yeah, I will see what will happen next week. But yeah, I close it. Um, oops, I closed the trade right here at this green line, this candle. That was when I decided, okay, I'm going out. I took my profits. So we are on a demo account, still demo account. Yeah, we are in a profit. Started from 10,000, so we are like 2,000, 2,500 in profit, which is really nice. And I'm happy about this result, and I hope this will continue as it is. And if I'll see that I'm consistently going to some profit, I know there will be losing trades, that's for sure. But if the risk to reward ratio will be at least 1 to 2, 1 to 3, then I think it's profitable strategy. So we'll continue to trade, and if I will see some progress, I will probably think about getting to a real account. It might be too early, but I saw that there are these funded accounts, these challenges. So I was thinking just something cheap, so nothing really expensive, not a big account uh, to trade. So I think I will just try, and I will take that challenge. It was still a demo account, before I get funded. So um, at least I will still have opportunity to just test the strategy. And yeah, if I will invest in this challenge like 20, 30 euros, that's not a big deal, right? So if I will lose that, okay, it's fine. But you know what? I'm pretty confident that this might be a profitable strategy. I will definitely have to think about a different lot size for the trading with real money. Although this was a good lot size position, I was risking somewhere around 5%, which is great. But for those challenges, right, there are some other limits I have to just think about. So I really can't really exceed like 4% per day. So I will have to adjust the lot size just to manage my risk, um, so that I can just continue with trading on that platform or with that account. So I think what I'll do the next trade, if I will take any, I will stick to the risk that I have to take for the challenge, so that I'm quite as near to the reality as possible. Um, Otherwise, if I would have my own account, I think this would be a really good trade, and I would be happy with this result. So, yep, that's what happened last week. I didn't really check any other pairs. Um, Unfortunately, I'm quite busy at the moment, so I don't really have that much time, which might be actually a good thing, because then I'm not really over trading and I'm taking just um, such trades that they have potential. So, yep, we'll see how this will work out next week. So far, that's everything from this previous week, and yeah, we'll see if this will definitely go lower to hit our initial targets, or it will just reverse and go to the upside, and then we did the best option, that we just closed the trade at this, basically the lowest low, which actually just created. So yep, we'll see. We'll see. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.